Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another project to show you. It's a jet cleaning project. We have to clean the paving at the rear garden and alongside the house, and even on the front of the house we have to clean the paving on the porch. So this is the project for today. I don't know if you already subscribed to our channel. If you are new to our channel, remember to subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification button, and also you can share the video with those who are interested with property maintenance and gardening services content. We cover those areas in the maintenance, so check our channel and you'll be able to see the project we have there. So this is what needs to be done for today. We can see that it's very dirty, so we have to clean it. The first day we have to clean, and the second day, the next sunny day, we're gonna resand. So this is what needs to be done. And also here, the paving of the driveway has to be cleaned. We need to clean just the paving, not the concrete. And also here on the porch, we have to clean the paving. And then when we clean, we can see we have a lot of weeds there. So when we clean it, we also clear the weeds. So this is what needs to be done also at the front of the house. This cycle form of the paving at the rear garden also need to be cleaned. So with no further ado, let's get started now. So guys, I just want to show you before sanding. This is day 2 of the project. Before sanding, how the patio was clean. So you can see it's very clean. All the weeds on the joint had been removed, and also here we have a lot of weeds on the driveway here. So all have been removed. Also here, everything have been removed. We have here our sand. It's better to get a quality sand. So this prevent, according to the manufacturer, weed to grow on the joint. So this is the sand we had. So all the weeds have been removed, and the patio are very clean. As you can see. Now let's sand it. Guys, at this stage the project is now completed. I want to show you how the project looked like after we applied the sand on the joint. You can see the sand on the joint there, and all the weeds that was here before was removed. And also here you can see the sand have been applied to the joint, and also the weeds that was here was removed. It was very dark here, so it's not cleared. I want to show you on this side also how the part look like after resanding. Let's get access to the gate to go to the rear garden. So as you remember, we had a lot of weeds in this area, so all have been removed, and the patio look very clean and weed free. So also on this side. So yes guys, the project is completed. I hope you enjoy watching the video. As always, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and also share the video with those who are interested with projects like this one. We cover property maintenance and gardening services content. So check our channel and you will be able to see the project that interests you, either in the gardening or on the maintenance of the house, the inside, the renovation. So check our channel and share the video also with those who are interested. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Thanks. Bye.